This recipe is a super easy one-pot pasta. All of your ingredients will go into a single pot on the stove over high heat until it comes to a boil. Put all of your ingredients into the single pot of water. I started with what would make my sauce and made sure to add the pasta last. I recommend that you only include your dry seasonings in the boiling process. Save the fresh herbs for the end. Once the liquid comes to a boil, stir it frequently and reduce the heat to medium. Add your fresh herbs at the end and top with Parmesan cheese before serving. You can modify the ingredients based on what you have in your pantry. Enjoy!